Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Real Cash. So, do you want to start making money online without spending a single dollar? In this video, I will show you 5 real ways to earn from home with no investment, no scams, just solid methods which you can start today. So, let's dive in. First is freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Freelancing is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to make money online. And you know the best part? You don't need to invest a single dollar to get started. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you create a free profile and offer services to clients all over the world. Whether it's graphic design, writing, video editing, translation, or even voiceovers. So there's a demand for almost every skill. And don't worry, if you are a beginner, you can start with simple gigs like removing images from backgrounds, writing product descriptions, or transcribing short audio clip. These jobs are in high demand and easy to learn using free tools like Canva, CapCut, or ChatGPT. And here's a pro tip. Start with lower prices to build your reputation and earn those first reviews. Once you have a good feedback, you can slowly increase the rates. Now, many freelancers start small and end up making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month, all from home with just a laptop and internet. So, if you have a skill or you're willing to learn one, freelancing could be your best first step towards earning online income. Now, secondly is writing on mediums or vocal media. So, if you enjoy writing, you can turn that passion into income. It's completely free and using platforms like Medium and Vocal Media. These websites pay you based on how many people read your articles. The more engaging and helpful your content is, the more you earn. You don't need a blog or any technical skills. Just sign up, choose a niche you enjoy, like personal finance, productivity, or self development, and start writing. Medium's partner program towards Writer Monthly, while Vocal offers bonuses and performance based payouts. A single viral article can bring in passive income for months. And here's a tip. Focus on solving problems or answering common questions. And that's what people search for. So, if you love to write and want to get paid for your words, Medium and Vocal are a great place to start. Thirdly is microtask with Clickwork or Mturk. So, if you are looking for quick and easy ways to make money online, try microtask sites like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms pay you to complete simple tasks like filling out surveys, tagging images, or verifying data. And you don't need any special skills, just a computer or phone and internet. Each task pays a small amount, but they add up fast when you stay consistent. And it's perfect for earning extra cash in your spare time, during breaks, while communicating, or even before bed. Just sign up and start working today. Fourthly is free faceless YouTube channels. Do you know you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? That's right. Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up right now. You can create videos using stock footage, screen recordings, or even AI voiceovers. Popular niches includes motivation, finance tips, tech tutorial, and even relaxing sounds or storytelling. All you need is a free tool like Canva, Pictory, or CapCut to edit videos, and you are ready to go. And once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning through YouTube AdSense. But that's not all. You can also make money through affiliate links, sponsorships, and even digital products. And you know the best part? You can stay completely anonymous while building a real online income stream. So, if you are creative but camera shy, a faceless YouTube channel could be a perfect business for you. Fifthly is teaching English on Cambly. If you speak fluent English, you can start earning money today by teaching on Cambly. No teaching degree or experience required. Cambly connects you with students from around the world who want to practice English, speaking English through casual conversation. You just talk with them and that's it. Here, the platform pays around $10 to $15 per hour, and you can work anytime and from anywhere. There's no fixed schedule, so it's perfect for students, stay at home parents, or anyone looking for flexible income. All you need is a laptop, a quiet place, and a good internet connection. The more you're online, the more sessions you will get. Now, some tutors even use their smartphones to take sessions on the go. So, if you enjoy talking to people and want to earn from home, Camry is a super easy way to get started, and it's completely free. So, whether you want to freelance, write, teach, or build passive income with YouTube, there's a way to start right now with zero investment. So, if you found this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ways to make money online. Thank you.